in the Rajya Sabha, we have seen open bullying and open dictatorship of the House by the Home Minister Amit Shah. Home Minister Amit Shah has bullied Parliament today. He has bullied every single member of the Rajya Sabha today. Today, an important instrument by which parliamentarians can question the government, question hour, was not allowed. Today, an important device by which members can raise issues of national importance before the government, private members' bill, was not allowed. Question hour not allowed. Private members' bill not allowed. Instead, the excuse of guillotine was taken, that there's a guillotine in the Lok Sabha, so we have to finish discussions in the Rajya Sabha on the Home Ministry. That was used to guillotine the rights of the parliamentarians and the rights of every member of the Rajya Sabha. On the excuse of the Lok Sabha bulletin, Rajya Sabha and the rights of the members of the Rajya Sabha have been guillotined. Today, every member of the Rajya Sabha has found that their rights to question the government, move private members' bill, have been bullied and demolished, and a bulldozer has been run over the rights of every member of Parliament and every member of Rajya Sabha today. Therefore, the All India Trinamool Congress, in protest that question hour was not allowed, private members' bill was not allowed, and instead the Home Ministry has been taken up for discussion when this could have easily have been done on Wednesday. On Wednesday, the House could have been prolonged and the Home Ministry could have been brought in there. But today, why was it that question hour was not allowed? Why was it that private members' bill is not allowed? Simply because Amit Shah wanted to bulldoze his way, bully his way, and have a discussion on the Home Ministry. In the name of the guillotine, the rights, the democratic rights of every member of the Rajya Sabha today has been guillotined. That is why we, the Trinamool Congress, have walked out of the Rajya Sabha in protest.